Gather the tools you will need: flat side cutters, a 3mm Allen wrench, a replacement zip tie or two, and the replacement display. Turn off the bike by pressing and releasing the power button on the display at the handlebar. Remove the battery by using the key to push and rotate the key barrel into the off and unlocked position. Remove the key from the battery and lift the battery off the battery tray. Discharge residual power by pressing and releasing the power button to ensure the bike is safe for maintenance. The display may flash on briefly. Trace the cable coming out of the display to the metal connector. Use flat side cutters to snip the zip tie along the display cable. Unscrew the metal portion of the connector until the threaded portion releases. Then pull directly apart without twisting to disconnect. Use a 3mm Allen wrench to remove the display clamp bolt. Carefully pry open the display clamp and remove it from the handlebar. Pass the new display's clamp over the handlebar and use a 3mm Allen wrench to tighten securely. Align the internal pins of the display connector and carefully press them directly together without twisting. Then twist the metal sides of the connector together to fully seat the connector. Organize the display connector and brake cables at the front of the bike. Reinstall the zip ties and use flat side cutters to snip the zip tie excess. Reinstall the battery, test the bike fully, and have your work inspected by a certified, reputable bike mechanic. If you have any questions, contact Rad Power Bikes product support and Ride Rad.